Hi and welcome students. In this Microsoft PowerPoint 2016 tutorial, I'm going to show you how to format diagrams. Let's get started. So you'll see that on my presentation here, on slide 2, I have a food pyramid SmartArt graphic, and I'm going to click just outside of all of the shapes in that graphic to select the entire SmartArt. Keep in mind that I don't want to click within the text or within any of the shapes because I'm trying to edit the entire SmartArt graphic. Well, the first thing we're going to do is take a look at the SmartArt Tools Design tab, and on this Design tab, I'm going to show you the SmartArt Styles group and the Colors menu. The colors that you see here come from the theme of the PowerPoint and the pre-selected template that you chose, and so if your colors are different from mine, that's why. So you'll see that you have accent 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. These are all of your theme colors. Those are the categories for that. And then you also have your primary theme colors, which usually consist of black and white. And then finally, colorful, which is a mixture of all 5 of the colors. The one that I'm going to choose is this one right here, which is colorful range, accent colors 2 to 3. And when you click it, it'll finalize it. So that changes my graphic to contain some of the colors from my theme. Now the next thing that we're going to do is I'm going to expand the SmartArt Styles gallery and preview all of the different styles. So that's going to be right here, which is the SmartArt Styles group, and then you'll see the gallery. This gallery doesn't show everything that you see here, but it does show you a good amount. But if you do want to see them all, you just go to the bottom right of the gallery and click the More button. The More button splits them between best match for this document, which is Microsoft Office related or recommended styles, and then down here, which is 3D, which is all the styles that are listed. And so I'm going to choose this one right here, which is Inset. But as you can see, those are all of the different styles. Some of them have a more 3D look, some of them are flattened, and there we go. I'm going to choose this second one right here. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is choose one of my shapes. I'm going to go with lean protein right here. And on this one, I'm going to apply word art. Now, just because you added a SmartArt graphic doesn't mean that you can't customize the text within it. The cool thing is, if you go to the SmartArt Tools Format tab, you could actually go into the word art styles right here, and you'll see recommended styles for the text. And so if I hit the More button on the bottom right of this gallery, you'll see all of the different styles that are available. I'm going to go with this one here, which is Fill Gray 80%, and you'll see that it adds the style to the SmartArt. So if I go right there, there we go. Notice it only applied it to the one because that's the shape that I selected. Okay, great. So the next thing I'm going to do is go right here and I'm going to click on fruits and berries. And under this one, I'm going to show you how to change the shape style. And so that's in our SmartArt Tools Format tab as well, the Shape Styles group. And right over here, you'll see a gallery of some of the styles. But if you hit the More button, and again, if you're seeing a theme here, that's because every time there's a gallery, there's a More button as well that splits the gallery into all of the options. And so you'll see your theme styles, which contain all of the colors from your theme right up here. And notice what it's changing. It's changing the shape of that SmartArt shape. It's not changing all of them because I only selected fruit and berries. And then you'll see down here we have transparent shapes. Transparent shapes allow you to still see the background. So since the background is black on this one, or I guess a dark gray, you see that dark gray in the background. So I'm going to go ahead and select this one right here, which is transparent colored outline dark red accent 1. So I choose that. Okay, so I'm pretty much done formatting this right now. And then I wanted to cover one more thing. If you ever kind of mess up your SmartArt and you just want to go back to the very beginning of how it initially looked, you go to the SmartArt Tools Design tab, the Reset group, and you click on this one right here, Reset Graphic. And you'll see that turns it back to the original SmartArt graphic that we saw right at the very beginning of this presentation. So hopefully this video has been helpful for you. If it has, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions, please put them in the comment section below, and I'll do my best to respond to you. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video, and have a great rest of your day.